Okay, another super quick tutorial on the third-person controller and being able to do a mouse pick. This is a trick I covered super quickly in one of my previous tutorials, and I'm making this again because I'm still a newbie and I forgot how to do it. Plus the third-person controller with the new Unity controls input system is new. I'm layering this tutorial on some of the work that was done with one of the great tutorials on reticles from Hutong Games from Steven. A lot of really good series there. I'll put a link in there at the bottom also. So I want to be able to select objects in my scene, but if you look at 80% of the times, it says player armature. Because my big fat head is in the way, I can't easily select this painting. So it's going to escape out of here. And it's the old trick of putting this guy on his own little mesh, or his own little layer. So I'm going to go over to player armature. And is that it? Yeah, player armature, that apparently is the object I'm sniffing at. If we go back to the reticle, the logic for reticle detection, again, the Hutong tutorial, you can see basically I go through and I'm looking for a new target and I'm painting the screen with the last target hit, okay? That's what this little debug text is. My little test, instead of opening the door, is if I just simply click, it deletes whatever it was looking at, just to get started. Get out of here, fireplace. And that'll ruin everything. Whoa, now we're stuck because we killed ourselves. So, big surprise. We're gonna go to layers, edit layers, and simply create in any of these slots a player layer to ignore. Okay, go back to our FSM, where our code was. This debug is the current game object. So the current object is set for the current target. That's just the global variable. So go back over where my mouse listener is. So once I pick it, get mouse down, I'm gonna look for that global variable and destroy it. Okay. So what I want to do is make sure that this pick object is not on our mask layer, which we set for player. So let's go back to our reticle state, our raycast, and we're gonna select the mask layer. And that should be it. And when we hit play, we should never see player armature anymore. Goodbye, floor. It just looks right through the dude. So, not rocket science, but for some reason I try to do all kinds of tricky stuff by moving the reticle way off to the side, or my camera sticking the player in the lower corner, and really weird things that sucked. So, just make sure you throw the guy in its own layer, it'll just ignore it, and you can go about your merry way and start doing whatever you want to do. Alright, good luck. Hopefully this helped.